So, andito tayo ngayon sa City and Land Ortigas Center to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, yun yung unit. Tumbok siya sa dulo. So, this is the unit. City and Land, 34th floor. This is around 98 square meters, 3 bedrooms. So pagpasok nyo, on your right is your kitchen. Ito po siya. Very spacious. And meron siyang storage or laundry area or parang servant's quarter with own bathroom. And then this is going to be your living and dining area. Big windows for better lighting and ventilation as well, and facing Ortigas Center or City View. This is as is where is upon turnover, so all the movables inside this unit are not included in the sale. Tatanggalin po yan ng bangko bago i-turn over sa atin and lilinisin po yung unit. Okay? And we have a common bathroom here. Halos tapat niya itong isang kwarto dito. May built-in cabinets din. And then this is the second bedroom. Corner unit, we have big windows on both sides. Kaya naman better lighting and ventilation tayo. And then this is the primary bedroom. Meron siyang sariling bathroom. And big windows, built-in cabinets. So this is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment and then 80 to 90% balance. In-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. As you can see, may improvement na yung unit. Yan, mga naka-drop ceiling na siya. And kailangan lang ng linis and minor repairs. And yung flooring natin is, it looks like Nara Parquet, if I'm not mistaken. So papansin nyo talaga medyo luma na yung condo. Ang kagandahan lang talaga dito is yung location niya within Ortigas Center, across Robinson's Galleria, and malapit po siya sa ADB and sa SM Mega Mall. So, isa rin yung sa binibili natin dito, yung location niya. And this unit comes with 1 parking space. This is around 8.8 million regular price. And discounted price niya po is around 8 million. So pumapatak lang siya around 80,000 per square meter. That's below market and zonal value. Discounted price is subject to management approval. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Lapul. Tayo sa rooftop nila. Dito ang swimming pool, function room, and gym nila. Gym nila. Yung swimming pool.